So yeah, this is huge. Jake, wait, hold the camera. Jake, hold the camera. Hold the camera. I just want to try something. Delete. Hello. Oh. Nailed it.
Do you have enough space? Oh wait. Did you also know?
What?
My butt has a cooling seat.
So guess what? So guess what? Anthony broke his car and now he's driving this thing. It's huge.
Wait, check this out. Turn
You
around.
can see.
Turn around.
Wait, what? What? That's so cool. Okay, that's huge. This is cool, Christina. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, wait.
Put Thor in here because it was so big.
Oh, that's cool. Now let's go to that like hill thingy.
All right.
Okay, I'll tell you when. Go. Go, go. Yeah. Nice. That was cool. I thought you were gonna ram it really fast through the puddle.
Yeah, except we could have bottomed out if we did that. Actually, could you have bottomed out in this? This suspension. Right.
Yeah.
Let's find another hill.
Yeah, I know. Wait, let's find another hill. Wait,
Yeah.
If you're like,
Another hill.
we got to find another hill. Another hill is where it is.
You
Christina,
see this thing on the highway. You want to go on the highway?
Christina, yeah, I want to go on the highway. Christina, can you open the back thing up again?
Why not?
Where am I gonna drive on the highway?
I don't know. Why are you such a Debbie Downer?
Okay. Christina, can you open the back thing up again? Hey, that's cool.
Who farted?
Not me. Look, the car's just like, what? Okay, that's cool.
Stick your head in there.
No, I'm not sticking. No, you're gonna close it, Christina.
No, I wasn't gonna close it.
Okay.
Really good idea though.
Yeah. We gotta go to like a big.
Make a video about Grandfather's Day.
Yeah, but we gotta go to like a big hill.
And you have
A big hill.
An hour.
We have an hour to go wreck this car. Anthony, we have an hour to go completely wreck this car. So, what do you want to do?
pay the credit card.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, but
Where is there a big hill? Oh, wait. That's bumpy. Okay.
You barely feel the bumps in this car.
Yeah, sort of.
Sort of.
Sort of.
Is like car with like insane suspension?
Monster trucks, you mean?
Yeah.
this car costs 2 of your mom's minivans.
Oh wow.
That's it, only 2?
Can you do like a donut with this car? No.
What about like a field?
It'll flip. You don't do donuts and trucks.
Oh, because they're insane tires.
Trucks, you can go off-road again.
They're too tall. But if you do donuts in like the short cars, the sports
Yeah,
cars,
they
it's
can, like-
okay.
Yeah.
Or monster trucks, you can do it because they have more traction. I have to sneeze.
Sneeze. Nice. Christina, nice one.
Oh, my nose. What is this caca?
Can we like go somewhere like an open field or something?
What's this button
Like.
do? Anthony, what does this button do?
If I own the car, maybe, but no.
What's this button do?
You're turning on lights.
Ah.
Christina, why can't we go to like an open like parking lot so I can race the drone against this car?
Because you see it's pouring up.
Yeah, but like the drone is good in water. It can go good in water.
Yes, but Christina melts in water. I'm a witch.
Right.
Right.
Night.
Please, you
Bye.
melt.
Hello. Welcome to Chili's.
Why Chili's?
I don't know.
This is the one next to above it.
Oh my god, wait, I think we're close. Wait, yeah, there's some hills. Are we close to it? I think we're. Oh my god, I know where the hill is.
Wait, what?
I know it.
What?
It's the one that we always pass by and then we never.
Used to be where our stadium
Wait,
was.
what hill? What hill?
The one right in front of us. See it?
That?
Yeah.
That giant thing right over there.
We had parking permits for
Okay, wait. Yeah, are you ready?
donut cross.
Ready, set, full throttle.
They would have people park up there, like seniors or whatever.
Oh my
park
god, that hill.
Anthony, full
And,
throttle
like,
it.
In the summertime, it was walking up it.
Ready, set, full throttle. Yeah! Yes! This is cool!
$30 a gas right there.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
$30 of gas right there.
Oh my god.
brutal hill.
Imagine trying to like bike or up that hill or like
I'm
electric.
saying. No, imagine just walking up it. Doesn't mind.
Electric
I
scooter. If I bet my electric scooter won't be able to get up that hill.
Yeah.
Probably not.
Over
would not
speed
happen
maybe,
in
but I don't
freaking-
think mine will.
Your scooter is all busted.
Yeah, I know the chain like.
What was the suggestions you had for Liam's bike that Liam isn't listening to?
Huh?
Liam's trick bike.
Oh.
No, wait, the chain or the wait, what?
Mom said that like Jake had suggestions and oh no, she said that you're
No.
taking all the credit for it.
Wait,
The
what?
credit for what?
Jake's ideas.
Not really.
You got an idea?
Okay, wait, let's go down the hill. Let's go down the hill.
Yes, I'm aware.
You
We're
can
going down the hill.
You can barely see it. Ready? Set.
This is the slowest roller coaster ever.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's a big truck. It takes a lot to stop it.
Big. Dead.
Hey, we are here. Okay, wait. Look, oh my god, I keep needing to unlock the door. Okay.
We shall see that.
Okay. Ugh. This thing is still huge. Jake, you should have one in the back. That'd be great.
I want you to sit in the trunk.
Yeah.
Kiko.
Thor.
Who's 100% so fat?
Yeah. Thor. Hey, there's Thor. Bye, Thor. Bye, Kiko. I can like now see that like Thor is so much smaller than Kiko now.
It's because he's shaped.
Yeah, I know.
He's shaped. That's what I like.
Hi, Herc.
Herc.
Hi.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Yeah, it's so big now.
I'm just scared if I'll bite my drum. Oh yeah, and I got a drum.
So big now.
Can you just-
Hi. You're getting so big now. Oh, there it is. Jake, save the charge so we can like race something with it. I don't know. Oh, Herc.
Now he wants to capture it.
Yeah, he does. Jake, bring it down to his level so we can try to get it. But right when you think... But then just shoot it right back up again. Jake, bring it to my view where I can see it.
You want it? You want the drum? I know you want it.
Nah, okay.